Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Last couple of videos, R1600i, Mark 1 Escort. A lot of content coming on them quite soon, but we're just going to do a quick workshop update just to let you know how we're getting on with various things. As you might have seen behind me, Smiley Transit, Jada Shine, go and check out his latest videos. Recently just started YouTube. We've just refurbed these wheels for him in a Hyper Silver, so don't worry about the bit that's hanging out because it fell off. But other than that, it's about to go for welding. Follow Jason's channel, you'll find out more about that. Mark 6 Transit, recovery truck, one that we've recently just sold. We have powder coated all the wheels, 6 new tyres, we've done all the brakes, we've done mirror covers, we've done marker lights, we've done windscreen. Basically, we bought it as a bit of a dog, we tidied it up. We have got a buyer for it already, so MOT next week. That's the Mark 6. It is a bit forward heavy over here actually, I'll have you know. In the office then, various items. We've got some radiators here. We have some wheels that we've blasted just for a custom for blast only. We have also got a tremendous amount of powder that just keeps coming. So we're going to remove the bench ends off the wall and put up another set of shelves actually so we can get our window back. And also if you step in, you can just see we put another shelf up just to cover any boxes of powder. Again, it's starting to get real damp. We have got a heater on, it's currently 16 degrees in here. So it is a good temperature, but again, heat rises, let's get them up in the air and get them stored up. So shout out to the guys that have just built the shelves for us. Spot on. So those of you might remember from previous workshop updates, on that shelf we used to have the display of our P100 that was in Classic Ford. We were lucky enough to be in nearly the last episode, the last magazine of Fast Ford. We're on 11 pages in that magazine. So up here on the wall we're going to put the Classic Ford back up, which is currently sat down here, which we've just took apart. And I've got 11 new frames that I'm going to put the whole of the Fast Ford one up as well. So probably in the next workshop update, you'll see all of that, and the office thing should be complete. Roof rack for a T5 or T6 for a customer. Their colours are red and white. They wanted it red. We've done it. It was corroded. It was flaking. So we blasted all the old powder coat off. We've then welded up certain areas that need welding up, and we've coated in this red. So another job waiting to go out the door. Moving on then, let's head over to the Mark 1 Escort and I'll show you the latest on that. Okay, Mark 1 Escort, not really a lot done on that, still waiting for some panels. We've been building some framework. Again, there'll be an update on this not too long, but finally the parcels arrived for the inner panels that we were waiting for. A bit more cutting away and then just a bit of jigging, and hopefully then on the next video we'll start to see the front end nearly put back together. So another update on the Mark 1 Escort coming soon. There's a rear quarter on the top, which is a second-hand panel. The rear side of this is all smashed up. There's quite a bit of damage to it. So the guy's got a second-hand panel that we can then chop up and try and make the rear light bevel. It's no good. So we're gonna get that on there and get that sorted. Stop. So here we have also a boat engine. Tristan over at Solar Marine Services, they deliver these to us all taped up, all bagged up, all ready to go. All we have to do is pull the trigger on these. We blast it off, we then coat it in a 2K epoxy primer, 2 or 3 heavy coats. This thing, I've just not long seen a picture of it, was completely submerged in water. So the guys have rebuilt it. We're going to blast it off and they're going to give it a good coat. Once we've blasted it, they then take it apart again to make sure there's no sand that's got in anything. That's the kind of service that, you know, we really appreciate Tristan and the team, because they do all the hard work. Again, it's cheaper for them. They drop it to us, masked up, ready to go. We don't have to spend the time masking up. And as you see, we really haven't got the time to do that. You know, that's just the way it is. Got one last thing to show you. Some of you might have seen it in the back of some of the last workshop updates we've done. The Frog-Eye Sprite that our Spen's been working on. Spen's been with us since the start. We painted this ourselves. He's now finally fitted the engine in. So there's a little sneak peek. Engine and box props in. He's had all the interior recovered and made. He's now got all the foam in. It's very close, very close to being finished. All we've got to do, and you probably would have seen in the office, there was still the bonnet and there was the two wings. They're the last bits we've got to paint. We've now painted, the doors are on, we've painted them, we've painted the tailgate. So yeah, the wheels obviously we've powdered in a gold at his request, but I must say they look perfect. He's also reached out and found some brand new spinners, centre lock caps, which is, you know, for something of this old, it looks fantastic. So great job on that. So guys, thank you very much for watching our latest workshop update. There'll be more coming on the Martin Escort and the R600i again. It's just getting enough content then to make the video worth building. We don't want to update little bits, so doing a workshop like this is just ideal to give you little snippets of what's coming up and what's going to be. But also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. A lot of you I've seen are watching the videos but not hitting that subscribe. Your subscription means the world to me, so thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Keep it real.